Hey there, subscribers, stay with me and you too can make this awesome pork pineapple fireball sandwich. Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to make a barbecue pork sandwich that's got some Hawaiian and Asian influences in it. I want to thank you for joining me today, and if you've been enjoying the recipes and some of my other DIY videos, I'd appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button. The first step here is starting with some thinly sliced pork tenderloins, and I only have 4 here, and I'm going to put them into a Ziploc bag. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of soy sauce. Got a little bit of onion powder. I'm going to go with a little garlic powder and a healthy amount of ginger. I'd rather have more ginger flavor. Some cayenne. Again, only put as much heat as you like. Got some brown sugar. And I'm just going to put, it's like 2 heaping tablespoons. That's it. Seal it up. Get the air out. I'm going to mix this around well. Mix all the ingredients, get it around all of the pork tenderloins. And this is going to go in the refrigerator for a few hours. You want to leave it overnight, even better. So next I want to open up a can of pineapple slices. Of course you could slice some fresh pineapple, but I'm using these slices. Just seeing this liquid here now, I don't want it to go to waste, so I'm actually going to pour some of it back into the pork. That would be pretty good. Okay, so these pineapple slices, they're not super thick. You can see that there. I'm going to use a couple of them at least per sandwich. I'm going to put them in this bowl. I'm going to marinate them for a couple of hours as well. I'm going to start with a little brown sugar on the bottom. Put a pineapple slice in it. Dredge it. I'm going to hit the pineapple with a little ginger. And then I'm going to repeat the process. Get some of the, we're just coating it. See what's happening to this already, and I'm going to put some wrap over the top, and this is going in the refrigerator as well. Before I wrap this up, I'm going to put my own little twist to it. I'm going to put some Fireball on the top. I guess the Hawaiians never did this, but I am. Filling up the middle. And hopefully that will just absorb into all of the rings. I got a little left over, so I'm just going to drink it right here. And a sip of coffee next. Alright, so we got the floating Fireball in the middle. Now we're going to put that saran wrap on it. In the fridge. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make a slaw that's going to go on this sandwich, and it's going to be onion, cucumber, carrot, and jalapeno. So the first thing I want to do is slice this onion really thin. we're going to get it into the bowl. I'm going to put some apple cider vinegar in here. That's what I was going to be using for the slaw anyway, and I want the onions submerged. I want them to soak up that vinegar. So now let's move on to the jalapenos. Submerge those. I'm going to take a peeler and I'm going to get some carrot slices here, strings. You can see what's happening in here. Okay. Now the cucumber. Just going to get a little salt. I'm going to just put a little bit of maple syrup. That's it. I'm going to toss it, and then it's going in the refrigerator for a few hours too. So I'm back now, and everything's been out of the refrigerator for a little bit. The pork is now at room temperature. I've had the pineapple sitting out for a moment. I've got the roll cut that we're going to use, and the timing of this is going to be extremely critical because these pork loins are extremely thin. They're not going to take very long on the grill at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start caramelizing the pineapple in a pan. Now, before I decided to make this recipe, what I in my mind I wanted to grill these, but the reality is they're pretty thin. And I felt like after handling them that they would break apart too easily if I put them on the grill. So that's why I'm doing it this way. Man, that smells great. So that grill is already preheating. And after the bottom side of this pineapple's finished, I'm going to flip them over, and then we'll get the pork and the roll out on the grill. Just going to brush the roll with a little bit of olive oil. Roll on here. Toast it up a little bit. I'm definitely a fan of the texture and the different flavor that you get when you toast the roll. I think you may have seen me do that in a couple of other videos so far. Definitely a step worth taking. Okay, that's how I like it, just like that. I'm going to get 2 of these pork loins on here for the one sandwich because they're so thin. I think I'll double them up. Like I said, these will be ready quickly. Yeah, we're flipping it. I can smell all of the spices in the marinade. Okay, let's check it. Yeah, this is done. Take them off and get them on the bun. So first we're going to take pineapple. Put the pork. I'm going to add a little bit of that marinade that I had for the pineapple. The pineapple was sitting in. All of that brown sugar and Fireball. And now a little bit of that slaw that we made. Cucumber, carrots, jalapenos. Made a mess. So what? There it is. Does that look awesome? Wasn't very difficult. Just a matter of marinating it for a little bit, putting the right spices with the meats, a different flavor profile with the pineapple and some sweet there and some ginger, and then you've got the slaw that's got the vinegar contradicting the sweetness, and the jalapeno for some heat. The sandwich is awesome. I've had it before. You're gonna love this. Definitely give this a try. If you've enjoyed watching this video and you like the recipe, please hit that subscribe button and bell notification icon so you don't miss any more. Good eating, everybody, and have a great day.